Pest and Lawn Ginja here. Today I wanted to talk about drought stress. My phones ring off the hook this time of the year because people think we burn their lawns. I came to this lawn in specific because they're not a customer. And it's interesting, 1 of 4 lawns this is happening to. So I kind of wanted to give you a close-up on drought stress today. All right, so Big Ned and I, we're driving around. We get a lot of phone calls this time of the year, especially when we have cold weather and then it immediately goes hot. What's happening to the lawns is the lawns are going dormant. There's not enough water in the soil to sustain the grass blades and keep them nice and thick and healthy. And then the salt binds up on the root bases. And this is the stress that occurs that causes the grass to go into dormancy. And it goes into dormancy just to protect itself. Now, I get a couple of you local people here that say, Ginja, you are full of crap. It rains so much. Well, let's look at how much it really did rain. Take a look at this. All right, guys, so here's what reality actually looks like. It looks like in the month of April, we're normally used to getting 2.89 inches of water. We received, if you look at the upper left-hand corner, 1.82. Now, the interesting fact is believe it or not, the 7th and the 30th made up almost 3/4 of that whole amount at 1.45 inches. So between the 8th and the 29th, we only received 1/2 inch of rain, and it's just not enough to sustain. Now, lawn dormancy can be catalyzed by a couple of things, not just drought. It can also be catalyzed by sediment, kind of plugging up the root bases, or nutrient deficiency. It's not just drought stress. So you can kind of see why this would be frustrating as a homeowner because you feel like you're doing everything right. And this lawn, the majority of it, I believe, probably looked fantastic up until about 5 days ago. And again, the root cause is going from so cold to so hot. The lawn protects itself by going dormant. In these situations, I find that we want to make sure that we wake the roots up and slough the sediment off of the root bases. So what I've chosen to use is this product here called Essentials 101. It's got 60 by 1 kelp to humic acid ratio. So the sea kelp is going to help promote a little bit of growth. The humic acid is going to help slough off the salt off of the roots. And that's also going to help with growth. Now, on top of this, you're definitely going to want to use water to push it through and to kind of push all that sediment down. That's what's going to help get it out of its dormancy. Okay, guys, so here's a picture of a customer of ours who was 100% positive that we burned his lawn, that he had enough rain that would sustain his lawn. As you can see here by the soil probe, the soil's dry. I just had him simply turn on the watering. We did some deep watering for a couple of days, and these are our 2-day results, which the lawn looks dramatically better. I did apply Essentials Plus on this exact day, and you can see 2 days after this, the lawn's looking much better. I waited an additional 2 days while we kept watering the lawn, and now it looks near perfect. Now, these are very fast results that I attribute to the calcium and the nitrogen properties of the Essentials Plus, coupled with the potassium to open up the veins to allow the grass to start growing again. Now, as a homeowner, if liquids are a little bit frustrating for you because you don't really understand the math, I'm using 4 ounces of the Essentials 101 per 1,000 square feet. It's not a lot. It really doesn't need a lot. You could actually use a granular made by Revive. I'll have all the product links in the description. It's going to push this out in about 10 days. Now, Revive is just dried poultry waste. It goes down to 4 to 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. The issue is we want the potassium to open up the roots to get it to grow. And guys, if you have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comments. I'd love to help you guys out. Again, this is Drought Stress from Pest and Lawn Ginja. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on the next round. Bye.